What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with video number 3 for JavaScript, and we're going to be talking about variable names. You know. All right, let's start that. But before that, please, if you are watching, following my videos, please like and subscribe. If this video helped you, if this didn't help you, like, subscribe anyway, right? All right, variable names. So I just want to tell you a little bit. I have my HTML right here. I got my JavaScript already linked in my HTML document right here, my two JavaScripts files, and I have utils right here, and then I have my home.js. Okay, so this is ready to go. So let's talk about that. All right. So variable names. So what happened with variable names? So we gotta make sure that our variables are descripted. Okay, you can start a variable name with underscore. You can start with dollar sign, and then you can start with a letter, right? And after that, after you have done the underscore, a letter, or whatever, you can follow. I don't know. Could be by another number or and more characters. You know. After that, for example, let's talk about this. We want a variable name by the name A, right? You can do that, but that's not very descriptive, right? You can also do a variable name. Let's just do P. Is P descriptive? No. But if you do price, is price descriptive? Yes, it is descriptive because we're talking about price. Can you do a price underscore 10? Yeah, that's valid. You can do that too. Also, can you do another variable name by the name price number? This is a camel notation, which is this is a really descriptive one, right? And also, you can start a variable name with dollar sign, but there's no courage. There's no courage to do this. They discourage to do this. Okay. And also I notice that there is variables name that start with underscore, and then they go also underscore at the end, right? This type of variable names are reserved for non-standard features, right? But the ones that we can use that is descriptive, we can use let price, and we can use price number, because P is not descriptive. Price, I think, is good. It works. Yeah, what I'm talking about. This we'll talk about. Yeah, price is descriptive. We can work with it, and also we can work with price numbers too. Okay, but all of these are valid. But you just gotta make sure that it's descripted. All right. All right. That's in terms of variable names. Um, Also, and there is a few errors in the variable names when you do something like this. Let's pretend 99 price, right? Let's do equals to 12. And then we're going to do right here show message, and we're going to pass 99 price, the variable name. So if we save that, it's supposed to show us right here in the browser. Let's see what update is going to show us. It's showing nothing. Yeah, it's showing nothing. Let's see our console. Let's see what we have. Let's give us one mistake. It says uncut syntax error, invalid unexpected token. Okay. So What about we do maybe price and then we do 99? Will that work out? Will that fix it? Let's save that, and that's giving us unexpected number. Yeah, it's giving us the same error right here. Yeah, it's our variable is not working. It's not right. Okay, but if we just do also, it doesn't. You gotta make sure that you define also, you give it a value to the variable names, because if you do this is perfect. This will work, right? If we save it, but then there's nothing here. Kind of went away because there's nothing there, right? So we do price, let's just do $15, and then we save that. That should update our page. Yeah, that's 15. Right, if we go in our console, should show us the same thing. Console dialog, we do price, save that, bang, let's go to our console. This is 15, right? Cool. If we don't have that price number or value or assign a value to that variable name, it comes as a undefined. Okay, cool guys, that was our video in variable names. So hopefully this helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye.